Today was a very big day for Muppet fans, the lovers, the dreamers, and me, as we finally got an update on Rock and Roller Coaster starring the Electric Mayhem that'll be taking over for Aerosmith in 2026 at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Let's talk about these exciting new updates. I want to start out by giving you the new backstory that Disney released, while some of the new concept art plays here in the background. The Electric Mayhem, one night only. The Electric Mayhem are headlining their biggest Hollywood concert ever. Anyone who's anyone is in attendance to witness Animal, Dr. Teeth, and the rest of this groove-tastic group rock the house down. There's just one little problem. The band is nowhere to be found. Across town at G-Force Records, we're treated to a VIP tour of the legendary rock and roll recording studio. Things might look a little different around this Hollywood institution, as the label has recently come under new management, the Muppets. We're happy to say our colorful crew has landed some new digs, with just a little help from Scooter's uncle, real estate tycoon and owner of the Muppet Theater, J.P. Gross, who really puts the G in G-Force. Just wait until you see how they've made these hollowed halls their own, creating the perfect place to make sweet, sweet Muppet music together. With your VIP passes, you'll be welcome inside the recording studio, where wouldn't you know it, you'll find the Electric Mayhem are cranking out some seriously rockin' tunes. Along with the finest audio engineers, all Penguins of course, we'll see Scooter doing his best to convince the Electric Mayhem to stop jamming and get to their increasingly restless fans. But will it be enough to get the band across town and on stage on time? With the help from our friends at Muppet Labs and a very fast limousine, we'll take a twisting, turning, and screamingly fun road trip across Hollywood to reach the concert in time. The iconic scenery and landmarks of Tinseltown will feature a Muppet twist. And throughout the journey, you'll hear the Electric Mayhem playing some of the most iconic rockin' hits in your ears to keep the music and adrenaline pumping. I'm sure G-Force Records will release a concert set list soon. And for fans of that big, really big, hilariously big guitar, you'll be stoked to know that the newest residents of Rock and Roller Coaster are putting their own spin on that ruby red paint job. A vibrant and psychedelic new design will grace the bottom of the guitar, inspired by a classic Muppet car paint job. And the piano motif at the base will feature a golden key as a nod to a certain far-out band leader. I am a massive Muppet fan, and I already miss them at Hollywood Studios, so I cannot wait for this to open in 2026. I'm really happy Disney isn't taking the easy way out when it comes to this, and just leaving everything the same but putting the Muppets in the attraction. We're getting new paint jobs, we're getting a new pre-show, it sounds like they're going to retheme that courtyard area, so I'm really excited to see it when it's all said and done. I'm happy to see them use the Penguins from what's likely from Muppet Vision 3D as animatronics in the pre-show. Looks like we're getting a new Scooter animatronic, which is really cool and exciting. And as we know, the Muppet pre-shows are fantastic. Some might argue that the pre-show at Muppet Vision 3D was almost as good as the movie was. So I'm looking forward to that brand new pre-show we're getting, and I can't wait to hear the songs, the set list, and the other audio animatronics that might be coming to this ride in the roller coaster itself. I would love to see something like the Electric Mayhem themselves before the launch as animatronics. That would be really, really cool. Perhaps Statler and Waldorf could heckle you before the launch. Just some cool ideas that I have, but all in all, I'm happy to see them adding some brand new animatronics, adding some color, and adding some Muppetiness, if you will, to this area, and hopefully someday we see the villain show rethemed back to the Muppet Theater, and we have an entire Muppet land at Hollywood Studios. So let me know your thoughts. Are you looking forward to this retheme? Are you gonna miss Rock and Roller Coaster starring Aerosmith? Leave all that down below in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big like, and if you haven't already, subscribe.